How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Salem Hemisphere. This is going to be their 356QB floor plan. We are going to start with your pass-through storage, which is also called your basement. You have a lot going on down here. You have your battery disconnect switch, bottle opener, nice light to illuminate the area, as well as your solar controller. Moving to your entry door, you do have some nice big solid steps underneath it, as well as a big grab handle and a awning overhead, which is just huge. You also have dual axle on this fifth wheel, as well as a nice sound system by JBL. Towards the back of the camper, you have your outdoor kitchen. So you have a griddle that does pull out and in for easy storage. You have some overhead storage, as well as a sink and a oversized fridge to keep those drinks cold. At the back of this fifth wheel, if you look up, you can see that you do have backup camera prep, as well as your Lippert ladder backer. Nice rear entry to that rear bathroom, which we will see on the inside. And then making our way towards the driver's side of the camper, you have 3 slide outs over here, so 4 in total. And then if we make our way forward, we're going to find your water heater, your 50 amp power cord plug-in, and the other side of your pass-through storage, which contains your water station. You also have your electronic leveling system right here. And then in this door here, you have your propane. Moving forward, you're gonna see even more outdoor storage, as well as your spare tire, battery box. You have your hitch up front, as well as these really cool docking lights. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the right of your entry door, you're gonna have a little bench area, so you can put your shoes and socks on, as well as a coat rack, which is really nice. And then moving to your kitchen right away, you have your residential fridge, as well as your 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, microwave, plenty of storage all throughout, and your single basin sink. Across from that, you have your U-shaped dinette. Now this does fold into a bed if you need to do so, as well as your trifold sofa. As far as entertainment center goes, you have a smart TV with your sound system by JBL, and your fireplace right below that. Moving to the front of the fifth wheel, we're going to run into your control panel, so you can control your lights, your awning, your water tanks, all of that good stuff is going to be right there for you. And then moving through this door here on the left, we're going to run into your bathroom. So you have a massive shower in here, skylight above, beautiful curved mirror with your sink down below, and then your porcelain toilet right across from it. If we keep moving forward, we're going to run into your main bedroom. So this main bedroom does have a king size bed, shelves and chargers on either side, beautiful headboard. Across from your bed, you do have a little cabinet to store your knickknacks and paddywhacks. And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you have your wardrobe. So this wardrobe is huge. You have a shoe shelf in here, clothing rod, but if you don't need that much storage for your clothes, it is washer and dryer prep. So you won't have to bring as many clothes. But we are going to keep going. At the very back of this fifth wheel, we are going to see your bunk room. Now this bunk room is huge. It does have opposing slides, which makes it even bigger. On the left here, you have one bunk with your TV and shelves below it. And then on the other side, you have a couch with a flip-up bunk on the top here. Now the couch does fold into a bed if you'd like that. And then it just keeps going, guys. We have a full bath back here as well. So another porcelain toilet, storage up above. There's that rear entrance that we saw on the outside. Beautiful curved mirror, sink, and then a shower tub combo, which is perfect for those kiddos. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Salem Hemisphere 356QB. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have your U-shaped dinette. Now this does fold into a bed if you need to do so, as well as your trifold sofa. As far as entertainment center goes, you have a smart